How to add long video on Facebook story. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now over here you'll see this option of create story. Click on it. With that your gallery will open up. Now you can select the video that you want to upload in your story, or also you can click it. If you want to shoot it right away, click on this option of camera and do that. But if you want to select the video from your gallery, you can just click on the video. So I will be selecting this one video. After you select the video, you can edit this video. Likewise, clicking on this drop down of see more, you're gonna get different options. Now from here, you are able to add text, stickers, sounds, effects, and so on. You can upload up to 60 seconds video in your Facebook story. Once you are done with the editing part, click on share. With that, your video will be uploaded in the Facebook story. So this way you can easily add long video on Facebook story. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.